What's up for the squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today I'm going to be meeting up with the homie Jeff. I know the last time I did a video with him, I was saying that I wouldn't be there when he was able to get the exhaust finished, but looks like the stars aligned and I am able to make it. So I'm about to go ahead and head on over to Speedzone with him, and we'll try to go ahead and get the before and after clips for the new exhaust that's going on. I'll go ahead and let him explain a little more on what he's getting, but yeah, let's go ahead and jump on over there. Alright, so made it here. Car was facing the right direction, but we did get some sound clips, which I'll throw in next for the stock, but they're about to take it in the back and get started. So what's up?
Let me know when.
Alright, we ready?
Is the hanger pulling it?
At the back of Speedzone. I need to ask about this. What's going on here? It's still here as well. And they dropped their car off. But yeah, I'll put the before and then I'll put the after. And you let me know what you guys think. I definitely enjoy it. I'm going to be probably gonna put in an order for exhaust while I'm here. Said I wasn't gonna do it, but I knew this would be the content that would make me do it. So I'm blaming Jeff on this one.
Just a little bit.
But yeah, also I'm putting a link to his Instagrams down below. His personal page for his car and his business page. And we'll definitely be getting more shots and everything together as well. There we go. Yeah. Oh, she loud now. Looking good. Watch that big old speed bump. We're just gonna go to the front. So I'll meet him up front. Okay, so yeah, I forgot to do the exhaust setup. These are Megan Supremo exhausts. And yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. Let Jeff know down below, or you can hit him up on Instagram, let him know. But yeah, definitely gonna be seeing the homie more, and like I said, we're gonna be doing more BMW content as well. I do plan to go to Beamer Invasion, which should be next week at this point, so I'll definitely be going to that. By the time this video is uploaded, it'll be in a few days, so definitely plan to see some of the homies there. There's a lot of YouTubers who are BMW owners that I'm linked up with on social media, so I do plan to get their cars and see them as well, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'd like to thank, before we do that, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to And if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.